Hello guys, so I want to briefly explain what this app and the device does. So this is the prototype device that we have worked on, and here's the app that we've developed. So basically what this device does is that it connects to 7 field sensors that measures electric currents, vibrations and accelerations. And then it sends this data to the cloud server. But in order for this device to send this data, it must be registered to the server, and regularly it should be calibrated by the third-party sensors. So this is done by the Padas app that we are going to upload to the App Store. So basically this device is currently running. So let me just run the Padas app that we've developed. So here, when I click this app, you'll see that it's already logged in. So let me just quickly click this BLE button. So, well, I haven't turned on the Bluetooth, so okay, where is it? All right. So when I scan, here we can see that there is one device that is named Padas, and when I click it, we can see that we haven't connected to this device yet. So if I click connect, we can see that the connection status changes to connected and the device validity is now valid. So what this means is that there are a lot of Bluetooth devices that we can connect to, but this app looks for specific service, Bluetooth service and characteristic, and then it checks its validity by this service and characteristic. So, so this was the first part, which is information. And then the second part is registration. So as I mentioned earlier, in order for this device to connect to the server, we need to register it to the cloud server, and it can be done by this app. So let me check if this device has some information in it. So as you can see, this device has its client name, country code, asset tag, etc. So if I want to change the information, then we can click it and input some information. Okay, so if you're done, we can click register. So it will connect to the server. Okay, the registration is successful. So the next thing we can do is that we can inspect this device and then calibrate its sensors by comparing it to the third-party sensors. So when I click read, it will get all the data from the device regularly, like once every second. And when I click plus minus, I can actually control its value to the values measured by some third-party devices. So when I think I'm done, I can click save. Okay, so it's successfully saved. So these are the basic functionalities of this app. Well, we can see that this app is pretty simple. It has only one embedded browser that connects to the server, and then we can basically control this device by Bluetooth low energy functionality, which is like reading some information from the device and writing some new values, and then calibrate its sensors according to other sensors. So these are the basic functionalities. Well, I think that's all. Thanks.